Ooh, Wes, you having fun yet?
Tons of fun.
Tons of fun. Didn't know you were into that kind of lady.
Forget I was in the army.
Oh yeah.
It's the only fun I know how to have.
You takes what you can get. So, passenger side plenum off. Driver side plenum almost off. They're a wrestling match to get them in and out. Wes is finding something, which we already had a leak anyway on it. So, it was kind of a PCV inlet. So, it's kind of leaking anyway, and you can see all the oil.
There's even oil on the bolts.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. So, we're getting that apart. And once that's out, we're going to call it a day on the car for this one. We got other stuff we got to fix. Successful.
Yay.
Good job, Wesy. That was no fun, eh?
Oh, no.
We get to buy some more seals, because...
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, yeah, that looks... We could actually make one of those.
Yeah.
Which we'll probably do, because I'm not going to pay $64 to get something shipped from the UK. That's a piece of paper.
Yeah.
That's a bad idea. Anyway.
Goddamn Brits.
Now, all our British people, don't get mad. Because they're probably like, crikey, bloody Americans. All right. So that's that. Damn, Wes. Kind of looks good. It's intimidating. Well, at least this valve cover is going to be easy. That side.
Yours is.
That side is, see you in hell. Let me see.
Actually, this side might not be that bad. Pop these off. Pull this up a little bit. I can pull it out.
Nice. You want to flop them plug... Let's get visual them plug wires. All right. Then we'll pop them off from up here and flop them out here back. Yeah. There's the fuel line I fixed in the past. I don't know if I was doing videos then when I fixed that. But there's pictures. Anyway, so... Well, that level of fun's done.
Yup.
So, Wes is like, looks like it's been done. This one for sure. Gee, I wonder why everything was leaking. They're hand tight. Now, I wonder if this has been, oh, look at it, monkeyed with
This one too.
by favorite little place where this used to go. Should make sense. It's amazing. We're taking these off by hand. And we have the new style of all this. So this side was loose too. So, you know, if you're wondering why the valve covers were leaking, maybe because that. Why do people not do their jobs, Wes?
Because they're lazy.
Yep. You know why else?
Do you want me to say it on camera?
I was gonna say they're lazy fucks.
This is something meaner, but it's not very PC.
Okay, let's stay semi-PC. We try to behave.
They're stupid.
Well, there's a lot of stupid in the automotive world, I'll tell you that. And it's like we go around fixing all the stupid, apparently.
Hey, it's a specialty now, right?
Specialty, fixing people's F-ups. Fun, fun.